Could this be the future of healthcare? This is a replica human liver created using a 3D printer. The lifelike material is being hailed as a game changer when it comes to helping surgeons prepare for operations by allowing them to practice on realistic dummy organs before they enter the operating theatre. And models can be printed from patients' own medical scans.
What we can do here is make what we're calling hyper-realistic, so very realistic models, and the surgeon can practice many times going. And where other people are using this technology already, but with hard plastic models, they're significantly reducing theatre operating time, theatre costs, and indeed they're getting much better patient recovery because the surgery is much more accurate.
Organlike is just one of a number of burgeoning life science companies to be based at the Northern Innovations Hub Inverness, led by Highlands and Island Enterprise. Collaborations between different firms at the forefront of research and development mean it's proving an attractive place to be.
We've got companies that have relocated from Essex. We'll shortly be having one from London. We're meeting them tomorrow. Last week we pretty well signed up one from Manchester, driven by the collaboration and the work that we do together.
We do quite a lot of testing, quite a lot of evaluation with chemicals, with biological content. So here on Inverness campus you've got everything in the vicinity.
Organlike says the unique qualities of their 3D printed organs is already attracting interest from surgical experts, and their materials could soon be in use across the world, with the Highlands leading the way at the cutting edge of healthcare research. Nicola McCally, STV News.